ladies and gentlemen? Harvey here from EddieLHarvey.com. All right, guys, today we're going to talk about Forex price action. What exactly is it? Is it something that applies to you? Should you be trading price action? We're going to get into all of those things and more. So guys, let's dive right in. First of all, exactly what is Forex price action? Price action, guys, is exactly what it says. It's the movement of price. It's the action of price. So if you're trading, it's a style of trading to where you're waiting for price to make its move. And then you're gonna take the action of entering a trade once that happens. Now, price action trading, guys, you've probably heard people say, I'm a price action trader, right? I trade off a price action. What that simply means is that you're trading in that moment in real time once price hits the level you want it to hit based off of your strategy. Now, in most cases, price action, if you're trading in that format, you're trading naked Forex. You're trading with a clean chart, pretty much where you're not using any type of indicators that are lagging indicators. So you're most likely not using RSI or MACD or stochastics, anything like that. Maybe you're using some moving averages, but mainly you're relying on support and resistance and that market structure, okay, that's created by support and resistance for you to enter a trade when it comes to price action. Price action simply comes down to where you're gonna have market structure, okay? You're gonna have that market structure, which is gonna create a level of resistance and a level of support. And inside of that level of resistance and support, you're gonna have the market structure where it's going back and forth. Once price makes a move out of that market structure, either to the upside or downside, in most cases, that's when you're gonna take your trade. So that's what price action pretty much is. Okay, you're waiting for price to break out of a specific area. Now, for a lot of people, they're waiting for price to break out and then they want price to retest in a form of a break and retest. Or maybe you're a person, you're waiting for price to just break out of that area and close, and then you'll enter your trade. So the one thing I can do, guys, is show you better than I can tell you. So what I'm gonna do is show you exactly what price action looks like. I'm gonna go over to the charts, show you some examples of where price action happened. And in fact, I have some charts marked up right now, and I'm waiting for price action to occur based on the way I trade to enter into that setup. So let's go ahead and let's look at some charts right now, and I can show you exactly what price action looks like. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Eddie Harvey here. All right, I'm going to share with you all in this video exactly what price action looks like, and I'm showing you some potential setups I have right now that I'm utilizing based off of price action, and also I'll show you an example of where price action happened in the past on a trade that triggered that trade to take place. All right, so currently, guys, I'm showing you GBP JPY, and if you look here, this is my chart. Now the markets are moving slower today, guys. This market is pretty much right now, it's 3:47 p.m. The market is pretty much dead. It's getting ready to close, and the new trading day is actually going to open up in 13 minutes. Today was for us here in the U.S. holiday, Labor Day, so a lot of institutions are closed, so it was definitely a slower day in the markets. But looking here at GBP JPY, I still want to show you all what it looks like. So market, what price action is, guys, like I said, is based off of market structure and resistance and support. So if you look right here, I have a level of resistance up here, a level of support right here. And market structure was created because price went to these different levels and created this zone. So if I draw this and show this to you, you're seeing right here, price broke out right here, right? And then it went up and touched that zone. It came back down and touched the zone. It went up and touched that level of the zone, came back down, touched this level, went up again, touched here, came back down. So that back and forth, also called consolidation, creates market structure. And market structure is created by it having a level of a high level and a low level. A level of resistance, the high here, and a level of support, the low here, also called the floor and the ceiling. So now price action, if you notice, I don't have any indicators on here. I just have support and resistance, okay? And now what we're looking for, as I have this markup right here, is price to come one way or the other, where it's going to break out of this zone, which is going to cause price action, okay? You can see it wicked here a couple of times, right? But a candle, that's just a wick, which is like a fake out, but a true candle where the body of a candle will close below this zone, that is the price action I'm waiting for it to happen. So if a candle closes below this zone, that's the price action I wanted. From there, now it's triggering the potential trade that I'm looking to take. So once it closes below here, I wanted to come back and retest that zone. If that retest then occurs, then that's an indicator for me. And then once the next candle opens where it's continuing to the downside, that's an indicator for me to enter that trade. And that's what price action is, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. It will be the same thing if it went to the high side. Well, I'm waiting for it to break out. So my price action is I want a candle to break this zone. Okay. Once the candle breaks this zone, that's the price action I want to happen. If it closes and then it retests into the zone, that's the next part of price action I want to happen. If that happens and then it continues to move to the upside, that's an indicator for me to get in for a buy. All right. So in a nutshell, that's what price action is. You can see I have it set up on multiple charts that I mark up. This is Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. If you look right here, it happened today right here. Let me show you a prime example on GBP CAD. Okay, I have my zone here for price action marked up. See, it touched here, touched there, came back up here, came back down here, and look what it did. Boom, it closed out below this level, right? But it never retested the zone. So that wasn't an entry for me. For somebody else, maybe they just wanted to break and close. And on a smaller time frame, maybe they possibly got in. So if you go look on a smaller time frame, you can say, hey, oh, here it is. We're closed up here on the 15-minute. Maybe that was an indicator for someone to go in, but I needed to break out, retest, and continue down to enter that trade. So now let me show you an example of price action in the past. All right, so this is GCAD, Euro NZD. Here we are, same thing. These are all charts that I have marked up currently. Okay, now if I want to show you, if we can look even right here on UCAD, right? I can show you a bigger zone of price action in a movement that happened for a sell. So if I come here, just show you here, right? If you look here, this is a resistance zone, right? You see here, this is a resistance zone where price came up here. Even if I move it over here, okay, it almost came up right here, right? Here, it touched again here. That's the high level. And we come here, this is the low level right here, right? Where, okay, price came and it touched these levels here. So, where's the brush at? There we go. So we can say, okay, from here to here, to here, to here, to here. Then price at this candle here, it broke out, retested, and shot down. Okay, so let me move this over a little bit more so you can knock that. That's not what I wanted right there. Let me clear that off. I need to get it off of that. Go to rectangle. Go back to this. Okay, delete that. All right, there we go. Okay, so this rectangle, I just want to move it over. So there, to show you where this happened at, okay? Where price broke out on this candle, right? This was a break on this candle, and it looked like it touched this zone for potential retest. But let's go look at the 15-minute chart. Okay. Almost retested it. It almost touched it. I'll go to the 5-minute chart. Let's see if it did. Okay. There we go. Okay. So I can zoom, make that bigger. So even on the 5-minute, it didn't touch it. But let's just say if you were a person that did a breakout, you're just looking for a breakout to occur, okay? On this specific area right here. I don't want to make this too long. Let's see, where did it go? Okay, this way. Waiting for a breakout to occur. It broke out. After that breakout, if it broke and closed, then some people will enter off of that. Their price action was this candle needed to break the zone, which it did. They enter right here. They could have took this down for a potential of about what 66 pips. So let me go look at another chart. I'll just show you something really quickly. see. Looking for a nice consolidation zone to show you all price action happening. Okay, here it is again. Okay, here it is again. I'll show you once again. Oh, and this is GBP AUD. You see here, market structure. Tried to break, it came up here, touched here, candles all wicking, touching this ceiling. Here, touched all of those areas, right? That's a ceiling, resistance, it's a floor, support, okay? Now you see solid candles right here, but it never broke out of that zone. It created solid candles here and it went back up. This big candle right here was the first candle that broke out. So a nice consolidation, market structure was created, price action, boom, it broke out on this big candle here, okay? And you see right here, it came and retested right here. A few hours later, but it did retest, right? It retested here, went down, retested here again, and then after that, boom, it shot all the way down. And that's what price action is, ladies and gentlemen. So price action, again, is you're waiting on price to make a move. I created the zones that I wanted to make a move out of. Up here, down here. It made the move here on this candle, but I wanted to wait for that retest. Then I waited for price action to come back up and retest here. And then this is where I could have got in this area and then took this down. So there you have it. Hope you all got some value from this. Guys, there you have it. What'd you think? I hope you got some value from it, man. That's price action. And that's actually the way I trade. I am a price action trader. That's my preferred way. And I've been trading that way now for a couple of years. And it's the way I will continue to trade for the foreseeable future. So I definitely hope you got some value from what I shared. Now, listen, before I let you go, I have two things that I want to share with you, two valuable resources that I know can help you. If you're just getting going with trading, guys, or even if you have some experience trading, the first thing I want to share with you, I actually have a cheat sheet, a free cheat sheet that I put together. Inside this cheat sheet, guys, I talk about the 14 do's and don'ts of Forex trading. I'm sharing with you 7 things that you should be doing and 7 things you should not be doing when you get involved with trading. And if you feel you're too advanced for it, maybe it's somebody that is looking to trade, and it can definitely be of help and resource to them as well. So not only will you get that cheat sheet, you're going to get the audio where I cover each step in detail, guys. It's about almost a 40-minute audio, and I give you a 3-step bonus checklist that will help ensure you're having the most success possible when you get into markets on a daily basis. Now, the second thing I have for you guys, listen, I'm a part of an amazing platform. I've been with this platform 4 years, guys, for 4 years, and everything I've learned about Forex has been through this platform. So we have access to the best of the best, in my opinion, when it comes to live education, learning from professional 6, 7, and 8-figure traders. All right. Disclaimer, everyone results varies. We have academies that take you step by step to help teach you what Forex is, A through Z. And then we have strategies, okay? Over 12 strategies, guys, that you can utilize and learn for all levels of trading, okay? Including copying and pasting, and you going all the way to you're completely functional in the markets on your own. All right. Now, I have a private group over on Facebook where I give an under the hood look at this platform. If you're interested in it, if you want to see what it's about, and I share testimonials, trainings, results, and more. If you want to get access to that, simply go to fb.tradewithed.com. Again, that's fb.tradewithed.com, and you'll be able to get access to that group. Okay, so you have the strategies guide. My 14 Forex do's and don'ts, which you can grab by clicking the link below this video, okay, right there, eddielharvey.com/182. You can grab it there. Or, guys, you can simply go over to my blog, eddielharvey.com, and pick it up there. And then, again, you have the access to the group that you're able to get to by going over to Facebook, typing in Forex Value, or going to fb.tradewithed.com. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I thank you for your time. I hope you got value. And if you did, let me know, man. Hit the like button below. Also, if you want to see more of my content, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification to be notified, guys, when I drop new videos. And leave me a comment letting me know that you got value. And also, if it's something else you want to see, let me know as well. Guys, and I know we talked about Forex price action, and I trade break and retest strategy, guys. I actually have a video here on Facebook. I'm going to leave it actually when you go to the end, guys, the end screen, there'll be a video right there for you where you can check it out, where I show you exactly step by step in a more detailed fashion how I trade this strategy. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and head over there. Once again, I thank you for your time. I appreciate you all. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Take care. Have a great day.